National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, Hancock County, northern Rush County, Henry County, northeastern Marion County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenfield, or 15 miles south of Anderson, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shirley and Wilkinson around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Came around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Nighttown, Carthage and Greensboro around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Spiceland, Dunreath, Nees, Louisville, Strawn, and Glenwood. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 90 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Henry, Madison, Marion, and Rush.
Do a dose of that.